Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things archery. Today, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of archery, the front hand position. It might seem like a small detail, but trust me, it makes all the difference. We're going to break it down step by step so you can find what works best for you. Now, let's talk about the lifeline of your grip. That's the line that runs diagonally across the palm of your hand. In archery, this line helps you find the sweet spot for consistent hand placement on the bow. Grab a piece of chalk or a marker and trace that lifeline on your bow hand. When you grip the bow, make sure that line sits right on the grip, nice and snug. This ensures that the pressure is distributed evenly across your hand, creating a stable base for your shot. Having that line as a visual reminder can be a game changer, especially when you're just starting out. The more consistent your hand placement, the more consistent your shots will be. My groups were tighter and my shots felt more solid, so don't underestimate the power of a simple line. The angle of your hand plays a crucial role in creating a stable and repeatable grip. Relax your arm by your side. Now keep your wrist straight and bring your hand up as if you were holding the bow. Is your thumb pointing straight up? If so, you're in a good starting position. The key is to find an angle that feels comfortable and allows your wrist to remain straight. When you draw the bow back, your elbow should be rotated slightly outward, not collapsing inward. This helps to engage the muscles in your back, creating a more stable platform. It's about creating a solid connection between your hand, the bow, and your target. Alright, let's talk about your wrist. When it comes to archery, a relaxed wrist is key to accuracy and consistency. A tense wrist creates tension throughout your entire arm, leading to problems like inconsistent draw length and torque on the bow. Imagine you're holding a bird in your hand, firm enough that it doesn't fly away, but not so tight that you crush it. When you draw the bow back, focus on keeping your wrist straight and relaxed. A relaxed wrist allows the bow to rotate naturally upon release, preventing any unwanted torque or twisting. Chapter 4, setting the grip. Slide your hand onto the grip, making sure that lifeline sits right on the bow grip. We want to grip the bow with the meaty part of our hand right at the base of our fingers. Avoid gripping the bow with your palm. Instead, focus on a relaxed, neutral grip as if you were just letting the bow rest in your hand. Close your fingers gently around the grip, keeping your thumb relaxed and pointing naturally in the direction of the target. You should feel a light pressure on the grip, but it shouldn't be uncomfortable or strenuous. Chapter 5, Common Mistakes to Avoid. Learning archery is as much about understanding what to do as it is about mastering the right technique. First up is the death grip. Holding the bow too tightly is a surefire way to throw your shots off. A tight grip creates tension in your hand, wrist, and arm, making it nearly impossible to execute a smooth, controlled release. Next, twisting the bow is another common mistake. This happens when your hand isn't at a natural angle. causing you to unconsciously twist your wrist to compensate. Another mistake is changing your grip mid-shot. Find a grip that feels comfortable and stick with it throughout your shot sequence. Lastly, avoid too much palm contact. Chapter 6. Practicing the right technique. Consistency is key in archery, and that starts with a solid and repeatable front hand position. Grab your chalk or marker and retrace that lifeline on your bow hand. Set up your bow hand with a grip, making sure the lifeline aligns perfectly. Relax your wrist, keeping it straight and loose. Check your thumb position. It should be relaxed and pointing naturally towards the target. Draw back as if you're aiming at a target. Pay attention to how your hand feels on the grip. Your front hand position is the foundation of a great shot. With practice, you'll find that keeping your grip neutral, relaxed, and consistent will lead to better accuracy and confidence in your shooting. Archery is a journey, not a destination. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more archery tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what's the biggest challenge you faced with your bow grip. I'd love to help you out.